Good morning, everyone. We are having a nice morning walk on Sunday up at Killiney Hill, which is about 350-400 meters above sea level, with a very steep fall straight into the sea. It's a nice area, nice walk, very calm streets, and good space for walking.
Até já.
Bom dia. You're making, but that's good. So, welcome to Killiney Hill. We are at the big, well, it's kind of an obelisk. They built this, according to this plaque, in 2007. We're gonna find out a little bit more information about this, and we put that in the text titles. But thank you for following us up here, and we don't know where we're going now. We're gonna find a cafe or something, and see you there.
Ok, nos vemos em breve. Nós chegamos aqui no topo desse obelisco em Killiney, a colina de Killiney, o pico de Killiney. E agora a gente não sabe para onde a gente vai procurar um café, tomar um café e nos vemos na próxima. Obrigado por nos seguir, obrigado pela sua inscrição no canal e obrigado pelo seu like.
Yeah. So we are on our way down from Killiney Hill, and on the way down you have a tea house where you of course can find hot dog rolls and you can find hot chocolate, really lovely. So we are having a little bit of break here, and we have 2 to 3 kilometers to get back home. It's a short, easy walk. The paths are either a little bit wild and rough if you want to, or there is tarmac all the way up and down. So it fits everyone. Families, dogs, or elderly, or short legs, doesn't matter, everything works. So this is definitely recommended. Don't go here a rainy, windy day because there is nothing protecting you up there. But other than that, most days will fit for a walk here.